Senator Amy Marcos has called on concerned groups to begin consultation when asked regarding the lowering of tariffs on imported rice.
Di naman dapat yung Pangulo kaagad di ba? Dapat kinukonsulta muna sa ibaba. Lahat ng tropa, kailangan kausapin muna at ano ba dapat gawin. I think we should go through the consultation process.
According to the senator, she was surprised by the recommendation of the National Economic and Development Authority or NEDA to lower from 35% to 15% the tariff of imported rice. Senator Marcos said it must first go through the proper process in which it needs to be discussed with various agricultural groups, even our farmers and millers. The senator stressed that everyone should be consulted before such a statement.
Ang panawagan namin, sana unang-una idaan sa tamang proseso. Kabisado ito ng SINAG, ng Federation of Free Farmers, lahat ng tropa sa agrikultura, alam ito. Ang proseso talaga tuwing magbabagsak ng taripa ay konsultasyon muna sa lahat ng sektor. Kaya nagulat ako kasi ni isang sektor ang nakakausap, biglang naglabas ng ganong pahiwatig.
The presidential sister and the agricultural sector are concerned about its possible sudden implementation or enactment, even if it is still a recommendation. The senator understands NEDA's tariff reduction goal. She said this is to lower the price of rice because rice inflation has increased to 24% to 25%. But even if the tariff is lowered, according to Senator Marcos, the price of imported rice is also increasing.
Pero hindi naman ganun kasimple kasi nakailang rounds na tayo ng pagbabagsak ng taripa, tumaas naman ang tumaas ang bigas, hindi naman kailanman bumaba. So hindi siya yung simpleng solusyon.
The Samahang Industriya ng Agrikultura or SINAG previously expressed objection to the tariff reduction because they said no consultation was done regarding it. Rice millers are also afraid of its effect because it is possible no one will buy commercial rice because the price of imported rice is even lower. Jen Meresina, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.